Well, some good news for Novavax today. The stock price was up by around 10% today, thanks to the regulators at the European Commission ruling that the conditional marketing authorization could be expanded to include people between the ages of 12 and 17. So it's a very good news because, as you know, I made a video about it. Check it out on my channel. We're still waiting for the FDA's approval of Novavax vaccine for any category of the population. This new approval by the EU is a reminder that something's wrong. We're all expecting an FDA's approval. I mean, we would not understand if the FDA said, well, actually, we're not going to approve Novavax. That would be just so wrong. And they would have to justify it by some serious reasons. How could you explain that the vaccine is approved in Japan, Korea, in Europe, in India, in a lot of countries, in Australia, and all these countries, and not in the United States? That wouldn't make any sense. Especially with COVID coming back very strongly. We expect in a new wave in September, October, something like that. So, yep, the road is clear for Novavax to go as far as it can. And as I said, I wouldn't be surprised to see Novavax go back to $150 by the end of the year. I do believe that an FDA approval could see the stock price go up by maybe 20%. Not necessarily in one session, but yeah, in a couple of sessions, 20%. Maybe 25% if they are following that approval. There are some new orders by the American government or whoever might be waiting for that approval in another country. We know that the FDA, even though it's an American institution, some other countries might think, oh, we're not going to buy Novavax because the FDA still hasn't approved it. They might think this way. Other countries, and after the FDA's approval, maybe, these countries will order the vaccine by millions. So we never know. It could be a very big boost for Novavax. So anyway, this is a very good news on these very tough times. Well, even though the US market was like -2% today and went back to, I'm seeing the NASDAQ closed at plus 1.75%. Yeah, that was a weird day, by the way. Seeing the NASDAQ go up like that while the Dow Jones and the SP 500 barely touched the 0% area, but the Dow Jones finished in the red. Right, so that was it. That was an update on Novavax following my rant on my last video talking about what was going on between Novavax and the FDA. Now, at least with this new approval from the EU, hopefully we'll see the FDA's approval coming very soon. I'm going to quote that sentence that I liked. It says, "It's hard to see how another stamp of approval could do anything other than makes the company's stock price rise." I totally agree with that. All right, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, share, the usual stuff. If you see me on YouTube, join me on TikTok and the other way around. Okay, I'll see you. Bye.